Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are back at Art of Animation and we are checking out a Cars suite. I apologize if I'm a little quiet because it is 10 o'clock at night and we were just getting back from being at Epcot. So originally I booked a Little Mermaid suite and we were upgraded. So I'm about to give you a room tour. We're in 2817. Let's check it out. So when you walk in, it looks like we have 2 small drawers and 2 large drawers. They're made to be like similar to being in an auto body shop. We have these nice leather couch. I believe that probably pulls out. Yes. This pulls out into a bed. We will not be utilizing that. Here we have 2 outlets, and 2 USB, so 4 and 4. Now we have the barn door, sliding door. So this is the first bathroom. Adorable theming with the car wash and the lighting. A lot of bright lights here. Great. A lot of space here. We have a hair dryer, washcloths, soap, and then we have the car theming. I have to say, I'm not a big fan of the fabric shower curtains, but I do think it's adorable. I thought it was most adorable in Little Mermaid room when we stayed. I believe this is a shower. Yes, we have the rain shower head. We have the bubbles on the wall. Adorable. We have formerly known as H2O products. And then this is all, I'm a girl mom, so this is all new to me, but I do think if I had a boy, this would be where it's at. All right, so we have a little wet bar here with a sink. We have a microwave. We have mini fridge. Now, I believe this is a beverage cooler. So if you're looking to cool your milk, I say this in all my videos. I'm probably a broken record and kind of annoying. But if you have milk, just so you know, it will only be good until tomorrow. It's not going to be good for more than a day. It will get sour. Alright, so they have given us full paper towels underneath the sink. We have some plates and silverware. This is awesome. Like, the amount of space you have here is just crazy. Look at this. My daughter's sleeping. Pobrecito. So, but yeah, this is the little closet with the extra blanket, and we have a 4-person table here. This pulls down into another hideaway bed. I'm not gonna do it because I'm not gonna be able to do it, but you know what I'm saying here. And I've stayed in one similar to this in the Lion King suite, and they're still very comfortable. All right, so we have a lovely view of Pop Century and the lake over here. I can't wait to see that in the morning, and then I can show you guys, hopefully. There is no balcony here, but we do have a Hey Disney over here. I'm not going to do it right now because my daughter is sleeping, but if you've watched any of my videos, you'll know that it's automatically disabled. All you need to do is basically just like an Alexa you have at home. You just undisable it, and then you can tell the weather and whatnot. This is another drawer. Yeah, I'm actually really surprised because we've stayed at the Lion King suites before, and I honestly think this is a lot bigger. All right, now we have another 1 bedroom. through here, again with the welcome. Again with the lovely theming and the view. I can't wait to sleep here tonight. Lots of room. It looks like we have a safe. We have another outlet here. We have outlets in the lamp, it looks like, on both sides. So we have 4 and 4, and then possibly 2 and 2 USBs, it looks like. And then we have a lot minier coat rack for the kids. It's funny that they made it so low here and not in the hallway, so it's like they're kicking the parents out in the hallway and they're putting the kids in here with the lower shelves for the hanger. But yeah, we have an iron safe, luggage rack. I forgot to mention over here under the TV we have 2 outlets, 4 USBs. So we have 4 USBs, and these are all like built right into there. This is honestly is great. I'm not a boy mom, but I just think it's adorable. Alright, so we have 2 drawers, and then we have 2 large drawers. Great for putting all your packing cubes and all your kids' stuff in. Definitely, this suite is amazing. Right behind the door in the 1 bedroom, we do have... Sorry, I should have started that off. I have the ironing board, and we have another outlet behind the door. And I mean, look at the size of this. I'm just shocked, okay? This is, honestly, you could fit so many people in here. All right, so we have yet another toilet, another fabric curtain, which I'm not crazy about, but we'll do it. Yeah. We have the vanity mirror. They do give you the sea salt bath soap in here. And then we have the little shower head, just like in the Little Mermaid suite. It's adorable for little kids. And then the formerly known as a toolbox. And also the sliding barn door. This one is just a complete door that closes. And I didn't talk about this, but we do have the phone, and it's just a Cuisinart regular coffee maker. We used it this morning over at Riverside. It's not like a Keurig, but it does the trick. And it's very easy to figure out compared to the other ones. So I think it's gonna about do it for today's video. If you're new to my channel and you found this video useful, please give this video a like. It really does help support the channel. And we're not already friends, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Follow along for all adventures along the way. My name is Lauren. I have a 3-year-old daughter named Lucia. I have a husband. He doesn't come to Disney all that often, but I do take my daughter. And so I give it from a busy mom perspective. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Follow along for all our adventures along the way. And we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all